Hello, my name is Jermaine.
Hi, Jermaine. Why are procedural safeguards important? Why must they be reviewed?
Very important for you as a parent because you want to make sure your kid is getting the right education under the IDEA laws. Make sure that it protect you as a parent. So we want to make sure that your kid get the right education and the right person to help them reach their goal.
How important is it to have parent and guardian participation when it comes to IEP meetings?
It's very important to have the parent there because the parent knows more about the kid than the teacher knows. The parent can tell you what goal they can help the kid reach it. So the parent being at the meeting can help the kid be successful. You need a village to build in the school to make the kid successful.
How important is it to have access to educational records?
It's very important for the teachers and the parent to have access to the record because you as a parent, you want to know what your kid is getting in class. You want to know if your kid getting the right help, if they taking care of them, if they treating them right in school. So it's very important.
Can you speak on the confidentiality of information?
Yeah, the confidentiality is very important. It should only be shared with the teachers and parents. Nobody else shouldn't get a hold of that. Because they get a hold of your record, it's not fair to your child because your child can get treated wrong because of their disability. So it's very important for the teachers and the parent to only have that.
Can you speak on informed consent, or in other words, parent consent?
Parent consent is the only way you can move forward in the IEP plan because the parent want what's best for their kid. So they're going to fight for what's best for their kid in the classroom. So they're going to give you valuable information that you need to help the kid be successful and reach their goal by the end of the year.
How about prior written notice to parents?
Yes, that is very important because if I'm messing up with your child, you want a written paper just in case you want to go to court and defend your child to make sure he or she getting the right education. So that's very important.
How about understandable language, both to the student and to the parents?
It's both important because you have some kids with disability that don't speak English in the first language. So having a translator to help them out, and the parents don't speak it, so they don't understand you're treating their kids. So having that and having a translator to help you out in school is very important.
And how about for the parents?
Yeah, it's very important for the parents too because half of them don't speak English. So when you have somebody translate, and they'll understand that you're treating their kid right, that they're getting the best education to be successful to reach their IEP goals.
Some parents want to have an independent educational evaluation versus the school's evaluation. Can you speak on that?
Yes, I can tell you, if your kid not getting treated right, you can have an individual evaluation. Well, you'll have to pay for that or get individual to pay for it, come out your pocket, but it's okay because you're getting what's right for your kid. So that's very important.
What are stay put rights?
Stay put right is a voice for the parent to speak out. If I'm mistreating your kid, you have a right by law, the IEDA law, that you can speak out and get what's right for your kid. So if you want to keep your kid back and not let her move on to the next step, you can fight for that as a parent. And
with that, what are parents' options when they have a dispute, or in other words, dispute resolution options? Parents can sit in on IEP goals set up, and if they still not satisfied with the IEP goals set up, they can get a myriad to sit there and help them get through the situation and help make sure they get the right goal and the right setup for their child. And lastly, what are recommendations of 2 parent or guardian resources that provide additional information about procedural safeguards? The 2 things I can tell you to look on is the Indiana Department of Education and the parenthood.org. That helps out. They're 2 things going to give you the protocols to help get your kid through a good day of school and make sure they reach their goal by the end of the year. Thank you so much.